Technology Youth Movement is a national youth-led organization. It was formed through the Technology Digital Literacy Festival which happened last August 2025. So what we aim is to promote digital literacy for better governance, ethical use of AI, and smart youth participation. Kaya po ngayon kami nag-iikot sa iba't ibang universities and barangay para ma-promote itong three key advocacies namin. We wanted to make our caravan to be engaging, interactive, not just simple talk. Kaya we also do yung mga interactive engagement namin during the caravan. So yung mga paghahanda na ginagawa namin, we tailor fit yung aming ginagawang digital literacy caravan depende dun sa mga schools sa pupuntahan namin. We tailored fit and customize yung aming modules if they are junior high school, senior high school, college, and different din sa mga barangay and sangguniang kabataan so that we can speak the language of our audience. It's very important for us to know the essence of responsible social media use. Especially today, we are victims of misinformation, disinformation, and even the usage of AI na kung saan maraming kabataan ang nabibiktima ng pag-generate ng mga fake images. That is why it is important for us to know yung halaga ng responsible social media use so that we can educate, inform, and empower yung mga kabataan to become digitally responsible.
It is really important because we all know that social media has become a part of our daily lives as students. We use it on research, to communicate, and most especially to express ourselves. That's why kapag natutunan ng mga students, the youth, na maging responsible and accountable in using social media, this can help us fight misinformation and use social media the right way. And it will not lead to misinformation. We should not just use social media for doom scrolling and for our personal advantage, but instead use it to stand for the truth and share your values and beliefs that can help other students, other people around the world, not just here in the Philippines, but globally. Because I believe that in using social media, we all could share and express who we really want to be. And with that, we can be a tool for the betterment.
Sa lahat ng mga batang Maynila, sa lahat ng mga kabataang Pilipino, inaanyayahan namin ng lahat na maging bahagi ng technology, hindi lamang magpamiyembro sa technology but rather together, let us promote a digitally empowered youth. Dahil kapag ang mga kabataan ay well-aware, we can promote a better governance at makapag-contribute tayo towards nation building.